yeah, I've taken improv for a long time now. I've been in this school for 2 years.
Whoa.
So actually something that I'm really thankful for is all the opportunities that we get. So we do a Thursday show here, and it's a really fun show when we get to improvise here in groups that we build and get to coach some teams, and some teams get to perform.
And you were in a movie mostly because of your improv skills?
Probably.
Yeah. Had nothing to do with your beauty. It was all improv, right?
It's not talent, it's not beauty.
Yeah, it's improv.
It's improv.
It's improv.
Improv changed my life.
Yeah.